Hi, my name is Alvaro. I'm from Uruguay originally, but I've been living abroad since 7 years. First in China for 3 years, building a big website, a big dating site for Germany. From there, I moved to Switzerland. Since 4 years, I'm living there. And I work for RabbitMQ. I wrote the book about RabbitMQ, and I also work for the core team of Rabbit. RabbitMQ is a messaging and queuing server. The idea is that you can delay processing of tasks, for example, in your website, like just a canonical example. Like your images, instead of resizing them while the user is waiting, you can just queue them and send a message to a worker that could be written in Node or Clojure, Java, whatever, and then do all this processing in the background to save resources on the front ends. So RabbitMQ is actually written in Erlang, but it implements a protocol called AMQP, Advanced Messaging Queuing Protocol, which has clients in many languages. For example, JavaScript, Java, Erlang, PHP, Clojure, Python, Ruby, and so on. So users can actually benefit a lot from this because they can have their front ends in Node, and today it's like very fashion to have microservices. And you can have your own microservice, like for resizing images in Java, let's say, one for sending emails in Node.js, and you can mix and match all these languages very easily thanks to RabbitMQ and AMQP. The talk was about doing replication with RabbitMQ, so I gave like a brief intro of how AMQP works, and then jumped into how to do replication with Rabbit with the tools provided by the server. My first time here was this November for a different conference, and this is my second time in Buenos Aires actually, so it's very interesting. Yeah, it's quite like Montevideo that it took more vitamins, I guess. I think in the area of Rabbit, for example, the main thing today might be the microservices. Like more and more architectures are moving to the cloud and to have this very small microservice that you can deploy, for example, with Docker or using Cloud Foundry or these kind of tools. And RabbitMQ will become like a core part there to do all this messaging, synchronization, and moving data around, let's say. I travel a lot, actually, and go to many conferences, and I'm really, really surprised by the venue, by all the billboards announcing how to get here. I mean, it's just those small details that make the conference a better experience for users, and the talks are great. They have a great selection of speakers. I mean, the creator of JavaScript is here, so what else to ask? And the location is great, so I'm very, very happy with it.